Alright, so this is a little less of a hike and really nice walk. I wanted to cover because it showcases one of the most beautiful parts of San Diego, which is right around the zoo and in Balboa Park. Specifically, we're looking at the Balboa Park Gardens Loop. First off, I want to start off this video by saying a good old f you to whoever approved a $16 parking fee here in San Diego. Criminal. Alright, let's get started. You know, most people come to Balboa Park for the museums or the zoo, but today I showed you guys one of the most beautiful and easiest walks around here. It's about 1.4 miles. This hike walk should take you about 30 to 45 minutes, but you're not gonna wanna spend 30 to 45 minutes. You're gonna wanna spend, especially if you're not from around here, you're gonna wanna spend a lot longer than that exploring a lot of different areas. I'm gonna leave resources down below, places and things you guys should check out. And here I'm just gonna focus on the key things to make sure you don't miss on this absolutely beautiful walk. All right, you got the desert garden, one of the largest collections of cacti and succulents in the world. Moreton Bay fig tree, massive historic tree planted in the late 1800s. You got the lily pond, the Zorro garden, and the Japanese friendship garden, which is a little bit out of the way, but still recommend that you stop and check it out. No, parking can be pretty tough on weekends. It gets pretty busy. You got really nice lighting in the afternoon, in the mornings. I've done a ton of portrait shooting around here. If you've ever wondered, I'll put up some examples, but I've done a lot of stuff around Balboa. Very kid, family friendly, of course. You could stroller a majority of this just fine. And the nice thing with being at Balboa is that you actually have some trees. This is one of the nice parts of San Diego. There's more shade than you'd expect on a lot of this trail. So drop any questions down below, screw the parking fee, and I'll see you guys soon.